Hi UX designers, here is Cesare Campanini again for the second part of the UX designer tutorials. As you remember, we made a list of the 5 plans of UX, and now I am going to talk about the first one, strategy. Okay, I would call this one analysis, because to determine what users want, so the expression user-centered design, we have to design based on users' needs. To determine what users want, we have to do different analysis. And okay, to know what is my final target, you should know the final target. For example, we can make as example, we have to do a website for an Italian restaurant in London. So we have to do analysis of the target. What is my target? In this case, probably we have to increase, the owner wants to increase clients. Qualitative analysis, quantitative analysis, and the analysis of competitors or similar interfaces, if we are talking about device interfaces, but the example now is the website. Okay, now we can start from analysis, qualitative analysis, because in my opinion it's the most important part. We have to look inside forums, blogs, etc. To understand what people think about an Italian restaurant in London in this case. Okay, to be simple, I will use Yahoo answer that it's really good, but in the true life you have to use also other elements, forums, blogs, etc. Okay, so we can start going to Yahoo answer. I already made a Yahoo answer page. I am already here, sorry, and we can type Italian restaurant, is already here. Okay, it's not actually important you put London, because we want to know what people in general think about it, so the location is not important in this case. Italian restaurant, we can start with this one. Italian restaurant. Has anyone been to Monte Cristo Italian restaurant church? Okay, this is a specific information, so we can write down, you have to open an open office file, and you can make a grid, and you should write in this case, okay, the girl there was asking for information about a specific restaurant. Okay, this means that oh, maybe I made a mistake. A specific. Okay. About, oh my god, how many mistakes, about a specific restaurant. Anyway, so this means that it's trust, the feeling of trust. If you ask information about a restaurant to other people, you want to be sure to see that this restaurant is good. So reviews, feeling of trust. So when people ask about a restaurant, is it good, is it bad, we need actually to write down that the trust is important. So if the trust is important, you have to put reviews in your site. You have to put maybe images with the face of people, the people that work there, because it creates a bond between you and between the people and the user. So we have to read everything, actually. I know that this work actually is not so exciting, but it's the most important. Okay, about my local Italian in church, is often you see many questions from people. Anyway, back to your question. My best friend celebrated her birthday recently, and we decided to go to Monte Cristo. It was great. So you can write also people go there to celebrate birthday and I don't know, marriage or something like that. So wedding, sorry, not marriage, but a wedding. So we can write down in this case if there is option to celebrate birthday, option to celebrate birthday or other things. Okay, so we have 1 and 1. It's quite long, believe me. It's quite long. Now we are just at the beginning, and you have to analyze everything. For sure, now we are not doing everything. I want to just show you how to work, and after we can analyze. What is the best music to play in contemporary Italian restaurant? Music we are opening in Italian restaurants. Okay, this is not important actually, because if you wanna open any restaurant, so it's not our business. We have to look for what users wants. Does anyone know of a good Italian restaurant in the King's Summit? Okay, it's the same. It's the same. Reviews, sense of trust. The trust, oh my god, no. It stopped to work. Okay, the second one, trust, sense of trust. Okay, is not important. What is the best okay, affordable. This is important because it involves price. So I need to know where I can get a great Italian restaurant having to sell without having to sell my house. Yes, it's funny. Pane vino, okay, it's a pizza. So price is important. It's another important thing. Price. We have to show prices. Okay, there is another for information, for trust, reviews, and price. Okay. Now, what is the best Italian in London? Oh, but it's a good question. So the quality, okay, maybe it's again reviews, trust, Bertol, yes, it's again reviews. And what is the menu? Another element, menu. People wanna know menu. Okay, so menu, people wanna know what they are going to eat. Important. Apparently the most important thing is review. People wanna know from other where they are going. So information, opinion from people that are opinions from people that are already have been there. So what do you think about an Italian restaurant fast? Oh my god, what is an idea this? What do you think about you mean the chef? You will be able to choose a range of pasta sauce, condiment. I am not sure already anything in London, but this is a good if you wanna open another restaurant, so we don't care. Okay, and again and again. I run a small Italian restaurant and I need some help making creative blurb. Bah. Maybe we can help. Okay, but not now. We can go ahead. How to eat a hard, crunchy pizza with fork and knife in authentic Pizza, okay, pizza is another element for the Italian restaurant for sure. Pizza that was really tough and good. I was wondering how do people normally cut their pizza with knife? Well, okay, it's quite simple actually. What kind of question? Anyway, we can put pizza is not about a restaurant actually, but maybe pizza is another element actually. One. Oh no, one no. Here there is nothing. Okay, and we go ahead. Okay, believe me, it's really long. I repeat, I am not going to do everything now because it takes several hours, so I want to just show you how to work. What is the vintage Italian restaurant coffee called? Okay, it's another information about a specific restaurant. So, specific name, but yeah, maybe we can put again here. What kind of good food dishes is served on a typical Italian? Okay, what kind of food? Other element important. What kind of food dish is served on a typical Italian? Then menu and food. Yeah, because food is different from menu. We can put another one in menu. And food also, because you can talk about food without talk about the menu. So food, what kind? Actually pizza is a kind of food, but maybe it's so famous that we can put in another line. Really, it's a really famous pizza. Okay. I am surprised because the price is not so important until now. Usually people care about what is health to have in Italian. I love pizza and probably in the end we plump with one carbonara. Meal appetizer, yes, is again about the starters. Yeah, again food probably. Food menu, I don't know. We can put in food maybe more than menu. So two kind of food. Oh my God, what's happened? I made a click. How many calories is one slice of margherita in Italian? Okay, so we can put a line about okay, not diet, but people that cares about calories. Okay, not diet. Okay, to be quicker, I can write diet. How many calories? Food. But is anyway information about food. Anyway, we can write down in another line. We can make what kind? General information. Oh my God, general information. Okay. Of course, you have to do the same with all I am doing now for an Italian again, Adobe Flash. For an Italian restaurant, but you can do it for almost everything, believe me. It's really annoying, it's really long, but it's the most important thing. Can anyone recommend an Italian restaurant in Newcastle town center? Okay, again a review. Another review is the most important thing. So we can imagine in our site we have to put okay, reviews in the first page. Reviews, maybe I don't know, a video or the menus with also I don't know, a Facebook thread, so people can talk about it. We can put opinion of people that already have been there. Usually are all fake what you find in the site, the opinion of people. When going to an Italian restaurant in England, is there any way to know the chef is Italian? Then they want genuine Italian people. Okay, genuine. It has to be genuine. Genuine. Maybe I don't know if it's spelled right. Genuine. True Italians. Okay. This is important. Apparently. I am surprised for the price. Brother, dreadful, my brother begin good food, good server. I didn't think an Italian restaurant. Okay. The price, people don't speak about prices. I am surprised. Owner of top Italian restaurant in Washington. Okay. Waiters. Bah, it's not interesting for us. This. Okay. Tell me about authentic Italian restaurant. Another one. Reviews. Information. Reviews. Where is the best Italian restaurant? Another one. The best. Even the best quality. Maybe people are talking about quality now. They are looking for quality. They are rich if they don't care of the price. Okay. Where is the best Italian in Newcastle? Go to organize Christmas. Do this here. As they go for Christmas, they don't go home. Okay. Who cares? Okay, celebration. Yeah, maybe another one. It's Christmas, but I don't know why they don't cook. Have you ever eaten an Italian restaurant? What do you think of Italian food and Italian fashion? Okay, this maybe. Okay, we can take a look for sure, but I am an Italian chef. This okay, who cares? Now, to the Italian food and fashion general tariff is the strange thing. Italian restaurants in Italy are not always as good as they are outside Italy. Okay, I don't agree. I live in Italy. I've been in some stinkers. Okay, because you are a tourist. That said, there is. I like most Italian dish. Okay, Italian dish. Okay, not that familiar with it, but really nice leather piece from Italy here in Canada. Most of food is very here in Canada. Believe me, it's not true. Have you ever eaten an Italian restaurant? Yes. What do you think of Italian food? I am Italian American, so I grew up eating it. Okay, but it's not the true one, believe me. Most of my comfort food is Italian food. Comfort food. And what is? Carbonara. Bah, okay, actually there isn't anything of interesting here. Believe me, you have to waste so much time here. It's really long. How can I find out how big the market is for an Italian restaurant? Okay, it's not important this. Have you ever been in an Italian restaurant? Another one. Okay. Anyway, I don't wanna waste all your time here. I just wanna show you how it works. Now I will finish it in a few hours, and after I will come back again and we can analyze the result. Anyway, you have to stop to do this work, to analyze forums, etc. when the results are starting to repeat and repeat again, when you don't have any more new elements to add. Okay? Then see you in a few hours. Hi guys, here we are again after a few hours. Okay, and I have found this is the result of the qualitative analysis. Okay, the first element, the most important, are informations about a specific restaurant or reviews, opinions from people that already have been there. So the feeling of trust, this is the most important thing that people are looking for. User-centered design is this. Design based on users' needs. Users' need is the main need is to know that it's a good restaurant, that somebody recommended it. Somebody said that that is a good restaurant. Reviews. So in the site we have to as leverage to put images of the face of the people that work there to create a connection with users. We have to put reviews, maybe, I don't know, a blog about the restaurant could be a good idea. So take in count the first element, this one. We can change color also because it's the most important. Okay, red. Oh my god, it's impossible to read. Okay, it doesn't matter actually, but it's the most important thing. Reviews, opinion from other people. Other important thing, the price for sure, but what surprised me is that the price is after the quality. Usually, I talk because usually when I do this kind of analysis, okay, in a period of crisis, price for people is more important than quality. But now, no, quality, price is important, it's important, but quality is so much more important. This is to take in count. So the menu we have obviously to put the menu in the site on the site, and it has to be as easier to read as possible. So the pizza is not so, people don't ask so much about pizza, probably because yes, there are pizzerias that are restaurant just for pizza, but maybe out from Italy they don't, they eat pizza in fast food, just that. Food, what kind, general information about food, healthy food, not so much, genuine, true Italians. Okay, romantic, a lot of people ask for a restaurant to propose to the girlfriend. Position easy to reach, yes, quite important. Customer service, waiter polite, freshness of ingredients, atmosphere elegant but too Italian. Why? There is a contraposition. Italian food but vegetarian. Okay, this is a good point. I want to point out here that it's quite weird that you don't think to an Italian food and to a vegetarian food, but a few people talk about this, Italian food and vegetarian food. So we can take, if we give the option to eat Italian vegetarian food, for sure we take these people with us, even if there are not so many. So it's interesting. This is a chance. Maybe you could talk with the owner and of the restaurant and put an option for vegetarian people. It's interesting. Recipe of Italian food. A lot of people ask for recipes of Italian food. So this is a good scope. After the second element of UX plan, as you remember, is scope, and a good scope could be to put I don't know, tutorials on YouTube for Italian recipes, so people can go after to the site. Okay, easy going but not fancy, clean toilet, okay, good looking waiters, okay, it's not important this. Garlic bread, because people ask, actually just one, why there is not a garlic bread, but you know, English people, they eat Italian garlic bread, and they couldn't find there. So at the least at the end we can make also a graphic about this, just is not so, okay, more or less just to have that. We have the numbers that are the most important thing, so all the rest is not so important. Anyway, now we can say that we have an idea of what people are looking for in an Italian restaurant. Okay, to be really accurate, we should go back to Yahoo Answer or to the forums. Remember that doesn't exist just a Yahoo Answer. We should do the same thing actually for restaurant in general. So we should repeat the same analysis for the word restaurant, and we should do the same statistic more in general, because okay, I won't do that because it takes a lot of time, but if you want to be really accurate, more in general, you can look for what people are looking for in general in a restaurant, because of course these elements are more important because are more specific, are Italian, it's elements of an Italian restaurant. But in general, you can do the same research more in general. And okay, I think that more or less we have done here. So see you in the next chapter for the SWOT analysis. Thank you. See ya.